Minimum wage is the lowest amount of money per hour an employer is required to pay you by law. Let's calculate the minimum wage. The question says, Laura's monthly expenses are $2,000. If she works 20 hours each week, what is the minimum hourly wage she needs to earn? Let's first understand that Laura is working 20 hours per week. We're going to assume that there are 4 weeks in a month. So let's take a look at her expenses. We have $2,000, and that's what Laura makes in 4 weeks. Then let's calculate how much Laura makes in 1 week. To get from 4 to 1, I divide by 4. If I do it to the bottom, I do it to the top. 2,000 divided by 4 is $500. So in 1 week, Laura needs to make $500. Let's make another ratio to find out how much Laura has to make per hour. So if Laura's making $500 for that 1 week, the problem tells us that she's working 20 hours per week. So I can go ahead and replace this 1 week with 20 hours. Because I'm looking for her minimum hourly wage, I need to find out how much Laura is going to make in 1 hour. To get from 20 to 1, I divide by 20. If I do it to the bottom, I'll do it to the top. 500 divided by 20 is $25. So Laura needs to make $25 per hour to cover her monthly expenses. Let's now take a look at tax rate. Tax rate is a rate provided by the government that tells you how much of your income will be taxed and how much you need to pay depending on how much you earn. The question says, the tax bracket below shows the tax rate for individuals married or married filing jointly. Based on the table, if you made $40,000 per year, what percent of your income would you need to pay for income tax? So let's look at our table. Because you are an individual, we're going to be looking over here. Now, let's find a bracket that has $40,000. $40,000 is going to be between $38,701 and $82,500. So that means you're going to be paying 22% of your income for tax.